Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to erase all downloaded apps and their data on a smartphone without affecting your photos, videos, or personal files. This method is quick, easy, and useful when you want to clean your device without doing a full factory reset. First, unlock your phone and go to Settings. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. Type Erase or Reset, depending on your phones. Look for the option called Erase Downloaded Apps and Their Data, and tap it. Now, tap Erase Downloaded Apps and Their Data. You'll be asked to enter your screen lock password or pattern. Enter it to confirm. Finally, tap on Erase Data to begin the process. Your phone will now remove all downloaded apps and delete their data. Pre-installed system apps will remain. Your photos, music, and documents will not be affected. This is a safe way to clean your device without losing your personal files. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments if you want tutorials for other features.